Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Conditionally Resolving Dependencies in .NET, a comprehensive guide. Dependency Injection, DI, is a powerful design pattern that promotes loose coupling and testability in your .NET applications. Sometimes, the choice of which dependency implementation to use depends on certain conditions at runtime. This tutorial explores various techniques for conditionally resolving dependencies in .NET, providing detailed explanations and practical code examples. Why conditionally resolve dependencies? Consider scenarios where the appropriate dependency implementation varies based on environment different implementations for development, staging, or production environments. Configuration reading configuration settings to choose a specific database provider or logging mechanism.